Hello. One destroys, one creates. Subduction zones versus spreading centers. The yin and yang of plate tectonics. This image is a global map of Earth's tectonic plates and their boundaries, highlights subduction zones with red lines and spreading centers with black lines. Subduction zones form at convergent plate boundaries where one tectonic plate, usually oceanic, is forced beneath another, often continental. Spreading centers form at divergent plate boundaries where two tectonic plates move apart. Subduction zones and spreading centers form a recycling system that continually renews Earth's tectonic plates. This image shows how Earth plates are recycled. At subduction zone, all oceanic plate sinks back into the mantle that causes plate destruction, while at mid-ocean ridges, new lithosphere is created as magma rises between diverging plates. This cycle is modified by core mantle boundary structure. This cross-section of Earth's interior, viewed from the South Pole, shows that deep mantle processes such as plum generation linked to large low shear velocity provinces with ultra-low velocity zones, which reinforce mantle convection driven by slab descent, shape surface tectonics, including ridges and trenches. Plum generation zones don't always produce the same surface expression. Sometimes they align with mid-ocean ridges and other times they only create isolated hotspots. Since the oceanic lithosphere is constantly recycled, its age varies across the seafloor. This map shows the age of oceanic lithosphere, revealing young lithosphere in red forms at spreading centers and older lithosphere in yellow, green, blue and purple moves away and is eventually destroyed at subduction zones. I'd like to highlight a young plate, the Juan de Fuca. Its thin oceanic lithosphere forms at spreading centers. It's consumed at nearby subduction zone, caught between ridge and trench, renewed at one end and destroyed at the other. The Juan de Fuca plate is one of the last active remnants of the ancient Farallon plate, which existed when the Pacific plate was formed. Summarizing, subduction zones recycled all oceanic lithosphere, while spreading centers create new. Together they keep Earth's surface in motion. This amazing cycle is what keeps our planet alive, driven not only by surface plate interaction but also by deep mantle convection and the dynamic structure of the core mantle boundary. Thank you for watching. With Geo greetings, see you next time.